mag-business ka nito, alamin mo lahat ang presyo ng supermarket. Alamin mo lahat ang presyo ng competitor mo. Karon, tingnan mo yung pork chop nila. Ang per kilo is 355. Ang kilo ang SRP ng pork chop nila, 355. Ngayon, kahapon, nasa 352, 353 sila naglalaro galing yan. Kasi nagtaasan. Kasi pag Christmas kasi, medyo ang demand, gumanon. Pero hindi kami nagtaas. Ang presyo natin, 327 per kilo. So, kung between i-minus mo ng 355, between 355 and 327, that's a big discount, correct? Now, pag member ka, Disukify, 317. So, syempre, pagpipiliin ka, saan ka? Sa 327, 317. Syempre, sa mababa ka. So, that's a different story. Right? So, pork belly. So, lahat niyan, bababa talaga. Now, baka magduda kayo na, baka naman double kill ito. Baka naman ang source nito. Nakakatakot. Now, ano ba nakalagay doon? Fresh, clean, and safe. Now, ang ibig sabihin yan, ang source namin ay hindi basta-bastang meat supplier. They are the biggest in the country. When I say biggest in the country, they supply all the meat requirements, chicken and beef requirements of all SM outlet nationwide. Okay? And they've been supplying SM for the past 20 long years. So they've supplied about billions of tons every single year, the whole country. So meaning say, my partner is a billion-peso company. Okay? Now, this is the first time they engage with a non-traditional marketing kasi SM or supermarket is traditional. Non-traditional na pinayagan niya ako, yan ang maging presyo ko. Okay? So, are we competing with the meat shop? Yes. Right? So, again, go back again. I mentioned, itong mga produkto, sa Bisaya pa na guwapa. Okay? Now, I can assure you, there's no contamination kasi from that time, from other countries, in other countries, you're not allowed na magbuhin ang baboy sa backyard. It's the no-no them. You need to have a company na naka-piggery, and their piggery is not the usual piggery you see in the Philippines. It's a building and an air-conditioned piggery. From the biik, from the top floor, from the biik, it goes down on the next month, in 4 to 5 months, nasa ground floor na, ready for slaughter. So when they slaughter the baboy, whatever it is, it's automated, not the ginugulgul ang liog. It's tick, done, anit, hagwatin na and everything. Then it wrap up, it's clean, wala kayo makita ang dugo dito nga. By the way, have you seen a slaughterhouse in Cebu?
So,
how was it?
bloody.
Di na kaganahan mo kahon, makita ka na. Okay? What about when they transport it? How it look like? Doon pa lang, questionable na. And it's contamination already, right? So, it travels, then ipasok nila yun yung tinatawag na blast freezing technology. It's just a huge warehouse. It's para siyang chiller, ganito. Na pag pinasok mo yung mga pig doon, in 30 minutes, bato na. Bato na, kaya hindi pwedeng pumasok ang tao doon pag nag-operate yun kasi maging bato ka doon sa loob. So, they will ship it to other countries going to the Philippines. Pero hindi yan na-expose sa init. Because paglabas niyan, naka-container ban na naman na chiller ban yan. Kaya kasi sir kanina, seaman yan Yung mga container, alam na niya sabi ko, yes, tinuod yan. Hindi talaga na-expose yan. So, it arrived to the Philippines. Pag-arrive, same pa rin. Diretso din sa refrigerated area. So, may nga, anong cut gusto namin? Ito. And they will cut it. Tak. And the next phase is packaging. Before, after cutting, bago i-packaging ang dadaan niya ng conveyor na may sensor. All the cut item is passed to the sensor to detect if there's foreign object or metal, everything in there na abnormality. And they will take it out before they will pack everything. That's how it works. Now, my question to each one of you. When the time you buy meat, there's someone explaining like this? Okay, another question. Too much eating pork. Kung saan ang sakit ang makuha natin? Marami. Tama. But you forget something. What about it contaminated? Then it will become a parasite. Could you imagine, pinapakain mo sa pamilya natin, hindi ka siguro sa anong source? This time, panindigan namin yung fresh, clean, and safe. And very affordable. Okay? So this is it. I'll go to the next one. Okay, what you see? This is a premium pork, ground pork. This is a premium beef. When you say premium, 80% lean, so 80% taba. Hindi yung mga nabebenta dyan na puro taba na lang. Okay? This is ground beef. And this is sisig. This is pre-cooked already. So, this is half kilo. Lagyan mo lang ng siling labuyo, itlog, whatever you want to do. So, pwede na. Now, this one. This is lechon belly slab. Saan po galing? Brazil. Okay? This is, walang buto to This is boneless. Kung ayaw mo siyang gawing lechon belly, pwede nga dalawa to Dalawang lechon belly. Sa supermarket, mabibili mo to ng 497 per kilo. Robinson price po yan. Alam mo magkano to? 407 pesos instead of 497. Magkano po difference? 90 pesos. Ito po yun. May mayari na to, kukunin lang niya. Okay? Our beef is from New Zealand. Diba sa New Zealand, mas maraming beef ka sa tao? Malambot, I can assure that. Okay, malambot siya. Now, of course, French fries, this is normally 170 in supermarket. Ours is only 129 if you remember, or 158. Okay, nangungumpra sa amin ito, box by box. Okay, this is the meat section. Let's go to the other side. Now, sino sa inyo mahilig seafood? If someone invite you, o mga tag seafood, kung sa first na sa utak, ay lang seafood kay mahal. Arelantas karne. Not anymore. Baguhon na ito, tanan na. This is the seafood. Para asan eh? Sashimi, kinilaw, right? Okay. Sa sitamina, mahal kayo eh. Right? Mua, makuha na mo 238. Usually, nasa more than almost 300 pesos na si sitamina. Okay. And let's talk about pampano. A lot of people love to eat pampano because they're very expensive. That's 540, 530, 540 yan sa supermarket. Gasano Metro. Boss, pila lang na. Pila lang. Pila ka box? 1 kilo. Kahit araw-arawin mo pa yan, okay lang. Kung gusto mo to, ito ulam ko kanina eh. Hindi, salmon head. Ginawa kong sabaw na sinigang. Na may maasim-asim. Right? And of course, ito, tinanggalan na ng itim. Ready to grill na. Okay? Kung gusto mo naman ng, ito na, nakakat na siya. Okay? Ito, hulaan nyo. Ano to? Anga, this medium size. Last Sunday, I went to El Corso. Yung alam mo na yung larsan dito doon. Ito miss. Kaya tatagpilan yan. Sir, 400. Ah! Alam mo kung magkano to? 96 pesos. Kahit araw-arawin mo pa yan. Okay? Kaya maiba naman. Pag nagpakain ka, birthday party, hindi yung mga ganun. Ito na, maiba naman. Pag tinanong na, mayaman to, naka-seafood. Saan ka bibili niyan? Ay, yan ang negosyo ko. Wala, na-captured market mo na. Tama po ba? Kasi ituturo mo sila sa iba't tindahan, wala ka namang nakukuha. Okay? Sarap nito, no? 3,600 ito sa labas. Ito mabibili mo lang ng 2,800. Okay? Now, ito naman. Ito ba yan? Saan yung slab? Nasa ilalim yata. So, meron pa kami slab. Yan masarap. So, kung gusto mo sa Pasko, puro kasipod, alam mo na kung saan ka bibili. Okay? So ngayon, nakita niyo yung produkto natin. Hindi naman tayo nagbebenta ng mga vitamins, supplements dito. Okay? Ito yung binibenta natin, kinakain natin araw-araw. So ngayon ang tanong, paano ba kami maging member ni Sukipay? Kasi aside from that, you can be a reseller, you can be a dealer also at the same time.